Let's go.
Yo, it's an introduction. I'm about to approach this nigga because this nigga fucked up my radio. Let's do it. Go ahead.
I would definitely recommend a lifestyle. It changed my life. I do like it. I'm very pleased. It has given me the comfort of being a feminine, attractive woman. This was really a healthy thing for me, and I love it.
Call right now to receive your free information kit. There's absolutely no obligation. Lifestyle Lift, a breakthrough medical process that really does turn back the hands of time. Give yourself the gift of a lifestyle lift. Call right now.
Hello? These ugly stains are ruining my good looks and style. And good luck using that cleaner.
Yo. You go fuck outside, bro. Hey, fix my radio, dog. You sitting down and shit right now, yo. You go outside and fix my radio, dog. Like right now, yo. Really. Keep fucking with that shit till you get it right, nigga. Yeah, you need to go fuck outside and fix my radio, dog. Yo, you hear me, nigga? You hear me, nigga? Yeah.
Don't let that camera get
Yeah.
your ass.
You need to go the fuck outside, fix my radio until you get it fixed, nigga. Yeah. Nigga, you not turning on the TV in this bitch. You hear me? Alright. Do it one more time. Do it one more time. Motherfucker shit, man.
There you go.
Send me phone, get to me iPhone, get to me iPhone, get to me iPhone.
Nah, that shit got an outer box on it. Fuck that shit.
Look, prisoner versus warrior.
Get my computer, hold the fuck
the
up.
prisoner is on top of warrior right now. The prisoner is on top of warrior right now, but I'm pretty sure that warrior is gonna be on top of prisoner.
Shut up.
He's not fucking with him.
They watch the window, man.
Watch the window for somebody to go through it.
Hold on. Ain't no hold on,
Yeah,
nigga.
ain't no fucking hold on shit, nigga. Get it in, nigga.
Hold on.
Get it
Hold on, nigga.
Get it the fuck in.
What's wrong, nigga?
Fuck you mean? Oh man, fuck that nigga up, man. That nigga fucked your radio up. He fucked your radio. Man, he fucked that nigga radio up. You know what I'm saying? This is what you get when fucking with a nigga radio. Can't fuck with no nigga radio and get away with it. Get him, get him, get him.
Shit. Keep missing.
Uh-oh. UFC shit. UFC shit. Yeah.
Can you choke him out?
He about to get him.
Can you choke him out?
Hold on, nigga. You can't be doing that shit to your bro, man.
Why you
Tired, man.
right slamming through the wall, yo? You busting man lip, yo.
Hell yeah. That's for the radio, nigga. Hey, get a close up of that nigga tongue, cuz. Get a close up of that nigga tongue. Yeah.
That's what happened, yo.
That's what happened when you don't fix a nigga radio. You too.
You too decent.
World star.
Yo, we saved you, yo. He was about to slam you.
Hey, that nigga's about to slam the fuck out you.
No, he was.
Damn. And that nigga went up with the tongue. He was like, oh, no. Can't do that. That's my brother. Oh, shit.
You was going through the floor, dog.
Hell yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hey, that was a good take right there, yo.